Want to know how to check the serial number on your Apple Watch? Well, you can find it directly on your watch or through your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you 4 methods on how to check the serial number of your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Through your Apple Watch. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down, tap General. Now, tap About. Scroll down again. Here you can see the serial number. Method 2. Through your iPhone. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Tap the My Watch tab at the bottom. Now tap General. Then tap About. Scroll down. Here you will see the serial number. Method 3. On the Apple Watch case. Remove the band from your watch. Look inside the band slot on the side of the watch case. The serial number is printed there. Method 4. On the original packaging. Grab the original box of your Apple Watch that you got from the Apple Center. The serial number is printed on a sticker on the box, usually near the barcode. And there you have it. These are the methods to check the serial number of your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.